Good evening, Gap City, and welcome to it, the biggest audition that has ever hit Botswana. And yes, it's a Saturday, 6:30, with the girl Hofana, bringing it to you live and large from the mother Chikaboron. And today I'm going to be giving you one of the best talents in Botswana. We're going to be having dancers, actors, modelers, singers, and well, TV presenters. We're going to be battling it out for that one chance to go to IMTA in New York City, the Big Apple, of course. But I advise you to vote for your favorites and take them where they need to be. And today I'm going to be announcing the top 10 who made it to the semi-finalists. And they are... Well, congratulations to y'all, and we hope you'll see you next week. Ladies and gentlemen, do not press that remote.